So hello friends, today we are going a very interesting question and also very important question, that is longest palindrome in a string. Okay. So in this question what we are supposed to find, okay, we are given with a string. Let's suppose S is our given string, and in this string we have to tell that what is the longest possible substring which is a palindrome. Okay, so you already know what is a palindrome. A palindrome is a string which is written, which is जो कि कहाँ से आगे से भी सेम रीड हो और पीछे से भी सेम रीड हो. ठीक है. So this kind of string is known as palindrome string. Okay. So in this question, how we will solve this question? So let's move toward the solution. Okay. So the solution. So let's see the approach how we will solve this question. So first of all, let's suppose this is our string. Okay, so we will understand this concept here. Okay, so let's suppose this is our given string a and a. Okay, so this is our given string. So in this string, how we will solve this question? Okay, so in this question we will take one low pointer, one low and one high. Okay, and we will take start, one variable start and another variable end. Okay, these are the pointers, okay, which will point in this string. Okay, so now we will sit low at there and high at here. Okay, at very initially. Okay, so in each iteration what we are doing, we will move I and J together until it found the two letters which are the two letters which are same. Like if suppose L is, let's suppose L move, we are moving these two pointers, and in the iteration let's suppose L move there and H move there. Okay, so when it moves, when it come here, so it at this point what we are doing, at this point we move low in this direction and high in this direction until the elements at this position and this position are same. Okay, so when we enter this kind of loop, okay, we enter this kind of loop when the element at this position and element at this position all are same. Okay, are same. Okay, the element at this position are same. So when we encounter this situation, so we start moving the low in this direction, high in this direction until we get the element which are dissimilar or the list end or the string is ended. Okay, so when we move low at this side, at our end condition, low will be there and H will be there. Okay, so H is there and low is there. Okay, so what we will do, we will set the start at this position, okay, and end at this position. Okay, and our answer resides in start and end. Okay, now we have the index of given string. Our answer lies between in this string, lies between in this. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a new array from there to there and will return it. Okay, so here one problem is occurring, like when the string is even, so this solution is very good, very fine. Okay, and if the string is odd, then we will face some trouble. Okay, so in the odd case what we are doing, in the odd case, instead of in the odd case, this is even case. Okay, this is even and this is odd. Okay, in the odd case what we are doing, odd case we will take the string as it is A B A and then A B B A A. Okay, so we take the string and now what we do, we instead of setting h at this place. We set h at this place. Okay, and law at this place. Okay, and the same thing we will do. Okay, now in this as this is even string, so the this we can do we can't do this in this string, but if it was odd string, then do this we do this. Okay, but as of now it is even, so this is sufficient. Okay, but if it was odd, we will do this kind of this kind of thing. Okay, like we can take an example of odd string, like this is a b b and a b. As you guys can see, this is an odd string, odd length string. So in this case, we'll set low at there and high at there. Okay, now this both will move together, and at a point high will come at there and L will come at this point. Okay, and now these elements are same. Okay, so that same situation arises here, and now in that case we do the same kind of thing as we did in this question. Okay, so we move h at this side and low at this side until the base situation occurs. Okay, so this is our approach to doing this. And in the AND case, if we see any new string is occurring which is greater than this, like let's suppose there is a larger string and the low it come there and high it come there. Okay, so in the end we update start at this point and end at this point. Okay, and at this point. Okay, so this is our largest string. Okay, so this is the approach that we are using. Okay, so let's see the code of this approach. Okay, so I have already written the code to save the time. Okay, so the same thing as I explained we are doing here. Okay, so law, we are setting the law at this point, low. Okay, and we have taken the high, start at 0 and end at 1. These are the basically initial steps that we are following. Okay, now we run a loop from I is equals to 1 to I is less than s dot length. Basically we are scanning this whole. Okay, basically we are scanning this. So low we sit, every iteration low we sit at I minus 1 and high at I. Okay, now this is our main situation. Okay, this is for even case, even. Okay, and this is for odd case. This is for odd case. Okay, so now as we can say that that I have explained the same thing I have done here. Okay, so now you can see low is I minus 1 and high at is set at I. Okay, so now when low is greater than 0, basically we are checking that low is not going the outside there, outside the index, outside the 0. Okay, so it is ensuring that low is always greater than equals to 0 as we are doing the I minus minus. Okay, and h, we are ensuring that high is less than length. Okay, so that high will not go beyond the length of a string, given a string. Okay, and we are checking the same thing that I have explained. Okay, the element at low is equals to element at high. Okay, until then what we are doing, we are जब तक ऐसा हो रहा है, जब तक हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जब तक हम जो है I minus minus and h plus plus. Okay, so I will go there and h will go there. ठीक है, until this situation is true. Okay, so now this is the updation of start and end. Okay, if the situation occur we found a length which is greater than the previous one, so we take that palindrome. Okay, so this is for that one. Okay, so now this was for even and this was for odd, the same thing that I have uh, explained for the even, that is same thing for odd. Okay, but instead of h is equals to I, we are setting I is equal h is equals to I plus 1. Okay, and the same thing we are doing. Okay, now our answer resides in start. Okay, start to start to at this place, start plus end minus 1. So start plus and minus 1. ठीक है, so these are the indexes of our answer. ठीक है, तो basically the string, our palindrome lies between between these indexes. Okay, so now as it is asking for returning a string, so I'm making a string temp and setting k at start, and I'm forming that string and k plus plus, and in the end I'm returning that string temp. Okay, so this was our solution. I hope you guys get it well. Let me know if you are not getting well, so I will try to explain in a much better way. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys.